So for this cute little granny heart, we will need a size G crochet hook, a little pair of scissors, and a little yarn needle for weaving in our ends. And then whatever color you want for your heart to be. I'm just using, this one is burgundy, and it's a Red Heart Super Saver, just medium weight yarn. So to start out, we're going to make a little slip knot with our yarn. And then I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to slip stitch into my first chain to make a little ring. There we go. So I've got a little ring of 5 chains. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then do 2 double crochets down into this ring. So there's 1, and there's 2. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do 3 more double crochets down into this ring, and then chain 3. So there's 1 double crochet. There's 2 double crochets. Here's 3 double crochets and a chain 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to repeat that 2 more times with the 3 double crochets and the chain 3. So here's 1 set, 1, 2, 3, and last time for 3 double crochets. Here's 2 and 3, and then a 1, 2, 3 chains. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the top of my beginning chain 3. And then I'm going to slip stitch over to my first little space over here. So my first chain 3 space. So I've got to slip into the first double crochet right here, and the second double crochet right here, and then slip stitch into that little space to get over there. Now we're going to look at our next little set of 3 double crochets and find the middle one right here. And right there we're going to put 9 double crochets. So here's 1. Here's 2 and 3. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'm right next to that chain 3 space, and what I'm going to do is just put a little slip stitch right into it. Now I'm going to look for the middle double crochet of my next 3. So the middle one is right here, and I'm going to put 9 double crochets in that middle double crochet right here. So here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now I'm right up close to that next 3 chain space, and I'm just going to put a slip stitch into it. And that is it. Now all we need to do is cut our yarn. And I'm going to cut my beginning yarn because it is all done. Now I'm just going to weave my little end in here. by running it through the bottom of my 9 double crochets. That will secure that end very nicely under all of those. There we go, and then just snip it. Your little granny heart is complete. And now you can add a little ribbon to make it a present topper, or you can make a bunch of them to make a garland, or you can make a cute little ornament, or just use it to embellish whatever you like.
Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know